I grew up as a vegetarian, and I was so thankful that I was vegetarian, especially when I saw my friends eating meat, because I knew that I didn't want to harm a single animal. And I knew that I believed that I wasn't harming animals by having eggs and milk. So when I found out that eggs and milk truly harm animals, because chickens are made to lay 250 eggs a year instead of the normal eggs which a bird would lay, which is not more than 25. From 25 to 250. And if I'm drinking milk, the calf doesn't get it. I loved milk. And I loved all the things made from milk. And I used to love the way it made me feel full. But I knew I had to leave it. And I did. And this was the best thing that I did in my life. When we consume milk, the male calves go for slaughter. The female calves are tied up away from their mothers, and they really suffer. And then they become milk machines themselves and suffer the same fate of repeated pregnancies and deliveries, losing their babies and having the other ones tied up. So I just knew I didn't want to be a part of it. And I also understood that my grandmother used to make a delicacy from colostrum. And when I realized what I was having, I was just so shocked that we humans can do such a thing, because consuming colostrum means that the calf has not consumed any milk from its mother. That's a male calf. Now, what it did for me, besides improving my physical health, because milk is mucus forming, and when you stop consuming milk, after a while you don't get colds and coughs, and as a woman you don't get menstrual problems because milk contains hormones that cause all these things. It's a huge feeling of health, but most importantly, it's a shift in the state of mind. You know, when we are stressed, we produce adrenaline. A cow is always stressed. Since her baby has been taken away from her, she is always stressed. And all that adrenaline that she produces comes to us through the milk. I became so calm and so peaceful after I stopped consuming milk. So this was the best thing in my life, and especially since these days so many people are depressed, anxious and fearful. This is the best advice I could give them. Stop consuming animal products altogether. Led me to start SHARAN. I'm a doctor, and I realized that medicines never cure, but the right food is always the right fuel, and the body always works to heal. And nutrients are the spare parts for healing. And so I had to shift my practice from giving medicines to helping people heal themselves. And now I know that all kinds of lifestyle diseases like diabetes, hypertension, heart disease, or even cancers and autoimmune diseases can be successfully reversed just through food.